Welcome to The Evolution of Life on Earth. In this video, we will explore the history of life on Earth and how it has evolved over time. Scientists have proposed several theories about the origin of life on Earth. One of the most popular is the primordial soup theory, which suggests that life began in a warm, nutrient-rich environment. Another theory is the panspermia theory, which suggests that life on Earth was seeded by microorganisms from other planets or moons. The first single-celled organisms emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. These organisms were simple and lacked a nucleus or other organelles. Over time, single-celled organisms evolved and became more complex. They developed organelles such as mitochondria and chloroplasts, which allowed them to generate energy and perform photosynthesis. Eventually, single-celled organisms gave rise to multicellular organisms. This allowed for greater specialization and complexity in the organisms. The first multicellular organisms appeared around 1 billion years ago. These organisms were simple and consisted of only a few cell types. Over time, multicellular organisms became more complex and diverse. They developed specialized tissues and organs, which allowed them to perform more complex functions. The development of multicellular organisms allowed for the evolution of more complex life forms, such as plants and animals. The development of biodiversity on Earth was driven by several factors, including natural selection and environmental changes. Natural selection is the process by which organisms with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. This leads to the evolution of new species over time. Environmental changes, such as climate change or the movement of tectonic plates, can also drive the evolution of new species and the extinction of others. In conclusion, the history of life on Earth is a story of adaptation, evolution, and diversity. From the first single-celled organisms to the complex and varied life forms we see today, life on Earth has been shaped by a variety of factors. We hope you enjoyed this educational video on the evolution of life on Earth. Thank you for watching.